वेल आम्ही असा हांगा सालिगांव हो प्लेस जो एक नॅन्सी मम्मा नॅन्सी होम केअर म्हणून एक न्यूज हेल्थ केअर तसेच
नॅन्सी केअर.
व्हॉट इज दॅट?
मम्मा
नॅन्सी केअर. ही मॅडम जी आसा नॅन्सी, शी हॅज जस्ट स्टार्टेड दिस विच इज given to her by the Jesuit priest just to run because she had that thing. तिका चॅरिटी करपा आशिल्ली आनी असले जायते लोक जे आसा पळय तांकां मदत करपा लागून तिणें ह्यो प्लेस ओपन केल्लो आसा. आतां कितें जालें, बायलेचें नांव सांगपा नांव. ही एक बायल आमची खोर्ली रावताली आपल्या घोवा बरोबर. खोर्ली ती भाड्यान रावताली 7 वर्सां आनी एक्झॅक्टली म्हाका दिसता 7 वर्सां म्हणल्यार तिका 2 भुरगीं आसात. One child is ma'am of 2 years or 3 years.
Or going to be 3 years.
3 years. And another one is?
Twins.
And they are twins. So the twins, one girl and one boy, go there and twins rautali. And magir now after some years she was expecting again. When she was expecting again, suddenly her husband was working in some hotel industry. He disappeared. And this lady was carrying child of 5 months. And additionally she had those 2 children. The twins म्हणटा ते. Then what happened? It so happened that घो खंय गेलो भिलें. फर्स्ट 2 days ना 3 days जाले. भुरग्यांक दूध हाडून दिवपाक जाय. दूध हाडपाक म्हूण गेल्लो, घोच ना जालो म्हणून हें धांवत गेले खंय म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनार. आतां आय डोंट नो वॉट इज रॉंग विथ म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशन. म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाक गेले खंय भयण आमचे आनी ते रडत सांगपाक लागले खंय 2 भुरग्यांक हात्यान घेवन गेले खंय आनी एकले पोटाक आसा. अरे look at her state that she is a pregnant woman. She comes and tells the police, I want to write a missing complaint on my husband. He's been missing for so many days. He had said that he's just going to fetch some milk for the children. And she was not in the state because due to pregnancy, बरें नाशिल्लें खंय दुयेंत आशिल्लें, जायना आशिल्लें. पुलीस स्टेशनाक ते रिपिटेडली वचत रावलें. फायनली रिपोर्ट बरयल्यार खंय ताका पुलीस सांगता खंय म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशन. पुलीस सांगता खंय ताका तेणें म्हणलें खंय मिसींग म्हणून रिपोर्ट घाला न्ही बस स्टँडार आनी रेल्वे स्टेशनार हे करात न्ही. म्हापसा पुलिसान ताका सांगलें खंय करपाची कांय गरज ना, तुजे गोवान व्हडलो क्रायम करूं ना, वो कोणाचो मर्डर करून तो वचूं ना, हें तो तुका सोडून गेला, हें तुमचें पर्सनल. सो हें इतलें सिरियस मॅटर ना. सो वॉट इज दीस गोईंग ऑन? PI म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशन, लिसन, I'll be coming with this matter or I'll send her now. I'm going to tell this. I'm going to send Nancy ma'am also there because she had been there earlier. मागीर कितें जालें, एका कोणे तरी पुलीस स्टेशना भायल्यान म्हजो नंबर दिलो that you contact advocate प्रतिमा कुतिनो म्हणून. And I said humanity नो, मुनीसपण हें काय म्हजे वोटर न्ही वो, हें काय सालसेतातलें न्ही, वो म्हाका वळखय ना. पूण हांवें म्हणलें मुनीसपण एक बायल भुरग्यांक घेवन आनी पोटात भुरगीं आसा म्हणून म्हाका खंय तरी कड आयली आनी हांवें म्हणलें कितें हेल्प करूं तुका. तें म्हणलें गो ना आतां कितले तरी जाले, 1 म्हयनो जावपाक येयला, पुलीस अशें म्हणपाक लागल्या. सो आय सेड फर्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इज युअर डिलिव्हरी आनी वील सी इन बिटवीन म्हणून. पुलीस कितें करता तें पळोवया म्हणून. मागीर शी वॉन्टेड अ प्लेस बिकॉज भाड्यान दिवपाक जायनासलें, रेंटान रावताली ती, भाडें खंयच्यान दितलें तें. शी हॅड टू टेक केअर ऑफ दिस 2 children एंड प्लस इन द वूम. सो शी वॉज सारकें, शी वॉज लॉस्ट. शी सेड मॅम somebody has given me a number and that person has said anyhow you will do something for me. हांवें मागीर कितें केलें, somehow like त्याच दिसांनी म्हाका Nancy came in touch with me.
You had a WhatsApp message of mine.
And she had sent me a message saying that you are doing good job, Pratima, advocate Pratima Kutino. You are doing so well for the society. And I had started with a small, Nancy Mama's Care Home.
Mama Nancy Care Home.
Okay, yeah. Mama Nancy Care Home. And I would like to, if you need any help, like destitute, so somebody like who wants to stay a shelter, I'm always there in Sampalli. Yeah. And I was so happy that immediately after I spoke to her, I gave the number. I called up Ma'am Nancy and I said, this is the case. She's expecting another 3-4 months delivery and 2 children. Can you help me with her? Nancy was the first one who said yes. Yeah. And from there it went on. Now, on the 1st of October, ताजी डिलिव्हरी जाली. आणि 20 दीस आमकां भुरग्यांक ते घेवन हॉस्पिटलांत रावपाक त्रास पडलो. मॅडमीन ताजो त्रास काडले. नॅन्सीन तेणें इतलें केलें. बट वायट दिसता म्हणल्यार 20 दीस कित्याक भुरग्यांक ऑक्सिजन लेस आशिल्लो म्हणून 20 दीस आजिलोच दवरपाक पडलें आनी आतां डिलिव्हरी करून पयर आमी हाडिल्ली आसा. नाव शी इज हियर इन सालिगांव इन दीस नॅन्सी केअर होम. पूण वायट दिसता म्हणल्यार CWC चायल्ड वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक लागून आसा. विश्वजीत राणे तूं तें खातें चलयता, मातशें पळय ते सुषमाक, who is the chairperson who doesn't know to behave, doesn't know to talk. When she went and met, she told it seems Advocate Pratima.
I was calling them.
Okay, wait. I will get to that. Yeah. She wanted to. She told ma'am So ma'am approached them. When ma'am approached them, ma'am said, it seems this case I got through Pratima Putino and I'm taking care of them. And mache हे कर म्हणून. So it was a very rude behavior, it seems, of Sushma, the chairperson of Child Welfare Department. शेनी खंय फोन तेजो दवरलो आनी बाले खंय डायरेक्ट बाले खंय तूं आपणाक हॅरेस करता. Why is that helpline? Helpline is to take help, no? So this woman, this Nancy ma'am, was just calling them for helpline, help Gyopak. But it seems Sushma, who is the chairperson, spoke very rudely to her and slammed the phone and said, it seems you are harassing me. So why are you warming up that chair? Sushma should resign. I feel that Vishwajit Rane, Patrav, तुझे खाते हैं, तू लक्ष घाल हितून. असल्या बायलांक मी कित्याक बसयला? जायत्यो बायले आसतल्यो कोण खरेंच काम करपाक सोदता. We don't somebody to come like a VIP, sit there, just sign, eat chai आणि samosa आणि गाडी घेऊन गेले आणि TADA आणि तुझे मेळटा ते. We want them to act, no? What is this? What is this? Why this is depriving? Ma'am will tell.
The thing is that I used to call the helpline for CWC, yeah, and try to find out because she was in the hospital and then she had to get a discharge and they had to take over because I was told that the mother and the children would be kept together, yeah. So, but it did not happen. So I was keeping on calling them. Because I was keeping on calling, finding out, they said we have to check with the chairperson. But chairperson never answered, never called back. Then I got a little upset. I said, what is this happening? I need to know whether chairperson is going to pass an order to take this mother with the children, you know, that we can shelter. But she comes on a Sunday like that because it was a holiday and Diwali thing. Said that you have harassed all my staff and now you harassing, that's why they're not picking up your line. But my question is, why the helpline? Helpline is to help and not to say harass. So probably I believe that I was put into this picture just to know how this thing is functioning so that she is noted by the high authorities, how she's dealing with this type of cases. And
see, let me tell you, Nancy ma'am or I, we are not here to do self-business. This is not our business. It's on the contrary, this is charity, what she is doing. This is humanity, what I am doing. This is the job actually of the government. Deprive जाल्ले बायल्यो भुरग्यांक. So हांव म्हणटा हेजेर मातशें लक्ष घाल. विश्वजीत राणे मातशें ते सुषमा म्हणटा ती चेअरपर्सनाक मातशें लायनीर हाड. Tell her how to talk to the people first. She is doing charity.
Not getting any funds.
And nobody is getting funds here. Everyone is putting पैसे तांचे बोल्सांतले घालपाक. म्हाका तुका नाविली साकून हांगा येवपाक म्हजे बोल्सांतले पैसे आमचे बोल्सांतले घालपाक. ती रावता कांदोली साकून. She comes, travels. And what about this lady? She is not working. भुरगीं पडलेली आसा पळय, एकले हाक्यांत आसा. 20 दिसाचे भुरगीं हाक्यांत आसा आनी 2 भुरगीं आसा रडटा ती पळय. So तेचे खावपाचे पिवपाचे, how much we will help? How much can we do? So I feel that CWC हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय, गव्हर्नमेंटान घालपाक जाय आनी चड करून सांगपाक सोदता. म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाक हांव म्हणटा CM प्रमोद सावंत तुजे कडेन उलोवंक पावतलो. म्हापसा पुलिसांक मातशें सांगात, पयर देखून तेणी केस केल्ली पळय ते राज ठाकुराचेर ती काडली आनी तुमी 0 FIR करनासतना मडगांव धाडली. मडगांव साकून फातोर्डा हे जावपाक लागला, म्युजिकल चेअर जावपाक लागला. आतां सांगता ही केस दुसरी आयिल्ली आसा. ही केस दे हॅव टोल्ड डायरेक्टली दॅट तुजो बोक क्रिमिनोर न्ही, तुजे गोवानपणे मर्डर करना. सो दिस इज चलता. अरे इट इज अ रायटफूल हे मरे ताजे कंप्लेन मरे. You cannot just leave your one's husband can just not leave a wife with expecting wife with 2 children and go. Missing complaint जातात. I don't know why the police is doing this. So म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी न्याय जाय and we want something a logical conclusionaचेर येवपाक जाय. कंप्लेनी हे जावपाक जाय, ताका ट्रेस करपाक जाय. ताच्या घोवाक आमी डिटेल्स दिल्यात, फोटो दिला, फोन नंबर दिल्यात. जाता तितले बेगीन ताच्या घोवाक ट्रॅक करून हाडा. Because we don't know now whether he is missing or whether he's been killed or whether he ran away. So आमकां कांयच खबर ना. This is a serious case. And secondly, CWC देखून कितें तरी फंड्स कितें जाता तें हेल्प करपाक जाय. देव बरें करूं.